Hello beautiful people, pray that you all are doing well. This is Erica Loves Simple Cooking TV and Cooking with Erica. So I have two channels, one page. So my page is Erica Loves Simple Cooking on TikTok, and on YouTube Erica Cooking with Erica. So guys, God has blessed me this morning and I have all these baby carrots. So guys, someone blessed me with these. You know, when you get free stuff, guys, take it. So I didn't have to pay for these. So I'm not gonna let them just sit in my fridge and spoil. These are baby carrots, and I have celery, organic celery. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them up, wash them, and put them in my freezer. So when I'm making soup, I will have them to put in my soup. Some people blanch them, but I'm not gonna blanch them because I'm gonna use them for soup. And so that's why I'm not gonna blanch them. I'm just gonna cut them up, wash them up, and put them in my freezer. So guys, please follow the page. Please subscribe and continue to comment, like the videos, guys. Please, when you see the videos, watch them to the end. Thank you so much. Watch the process. Yes guys, so right here, the original cut that they make on the celery, I'm gonna cut off that part. So because some of them have a little part that is not really good. So right here you can see, just cut off the part that is not good, guys. And then I'm gonna put them through my vegetable slicer. So I'm gonna cut them. So I'm gonna do it, and so I'm gonna put them over here in my pasta strainer. Okay, so I'm gonna wash them. Guys, how are you guys doing today? Pray that you are all doing well. For those who follow the page, subscribing to the channel, thank you so much. Continue to watch the videos, and guys, drop in the comment section if you like these videos. If you like these videos, let me know you like the videos, guys. Guys, you must try not to waste stuff here. Things are so expensive, gosh. In the 80s and so, we could go to the supermarket and shop a whole shopping cart. Sometimes you could come out the supermarket with 2 shopping carts full of stuff. Now the same $50 and $100 you used to use in the supermarket back then, hey, you came by not even a good bag of food. You go to the store and you don't know what you buy, because sometimes you have to come out your car and go back in to check if you leave some of the stuff in the car. That's how things get expensive. So you're getting less, you're spending more money and you're getting less for your money. So okay guys, there goes the celery, hollow, clean. So now I'm gonna wash them, and then when I come back, I'm gonna cut them up. So guys, this carrots, there's a lot of carrots now. 2 pounds in each bag. So guys, I'm gonna use back the bags, you know. I'm a recycle. I love to recycle and use back stuff, you know. One of these days I'm gonna show you my buckle collection that I recycle. So now, use the scissors because I don't want to spoil the bag, because I'm going to use it back. So, first we're going to open the bag, and I'm going to wash them. All these bags, I'm going to wash them and reuse them. So when I cut up the carrots, I just pop them back in the bags. So guys, that's it. Just cut off right here. Guys, you pay for the bag too. So nothing wrong if you recycle and use the bag. Protect the environment. So there you go, nice and easy. Work right here. I'm gonna use back the bag, guys. I don't know. I'm using back the bag for the celery too. So you just do this. Still good. Alright guys, I'll be back after I wash these.